Okay, I am going to make our family's new addiction during quarantine. And here I am in my pajamas because it's called peanut butter protein pajama balls. All right, so it started out as Bella's recipe and I kind of hijacked it. And the original recipe is much smaller than what I've grown it to. So I'm going to take you through what is the minimum to where it is today. Peanut butter, honey, vanilla, cocoa powder, and oats. What I have added to it is to make it healthy and to stretch it. So instead of plain oats, we added to it this type of oats because it gives it a little bit of crunch to mix with the regularity of the oats. And we also added to it this from Costco granola because it adds even more crunch to it. We like our crunch. And then I wanted to increase the protein, so we add some of this because we love peanut butter. And Jim doesn't care so much for this. He likes cinnamon, so we swapped out for cinnamon. And we added the peanut butter chocolate protein powder from Costco. We add brown sugar Splenda to cut back on the sugar. And I use the juice from soaked dates instead of honey to add a little bit of substitution. We add hemp seeds and chia seeds. And we use a little bit of this in place of honey and a little bit of this for moisture. Gotta have a little sea salt in it. And here we go. And I really do make it all by a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So the first trick is to start with your peanut butter. Bella, what does the original ingredients call for?
Half a cup of peanut butter.
Half a cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of oats,
Yeah.
and a 1/3 cup of honey?
Yeah.
Okay. And you can substitute peanut butter for any healthy brand of peanut butter if you want. This is my Now I add a little bit of almond milk to it because Jim does not like them so hard. He likes them softer. And I also am stretching it. And I'm layering in the ingredients just because it mixes easier. This is chocolate peanut butter protein. gonna do this a little bit like this first. Okay, now the secret is wet your hands. With wet hands, grab a little ball and roll it. Peanut butter ball. We make them into about ping pong ball size. And then stick them in the freezer. And after a couple hours, they are amazing. You can put them in the fridge if you want, but we like them in the freezer. And that's it. There you have it. Peanut butter pajama protein balls.